Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode on finding research gap fast using Google Scholar and ChatGPT. Whether you are starting your first research project or aiming to publish effectively, identifying a research gap is key to impactful scholarship. I'm your host and I'll guide you through a simple, repeatable process that takes under 5 minutes. So step 1 is understand your research topic. Before anything, be clear about your research focus. Let's say you are interested in urban green spaces and mental health. Having a defined topic guideline you're searching and keeps the process effective. Step 2. Use Google Scholar for recent papers. Go to Google Scholar and enter your topic keyword. Filter results to show only papers from the last 2 to 3 years. This helps you capture the newest findings and current discussion in your field. Don't try to read everything. Focus on abstract or jump straight to section labeled limitations, discussions, or future directions. Step 3 will include extract key text highlighting gaps. In this section, authors typically mention what their research didn't cover or questions that still need answers. Copy relevant. These reveal clues or acknowledgement about research gaps. Step 4 include paste text into ChatGPT and ask for summarizing. Now paste that text into ChatGPT and say something like, please summarize the main research gap or unanswered questions in this text related to urban green spaces and mental health. ChatGPT quickly synthesizes the text across multiple papers and extracting overlooked gaps or broad themes needing further study. Step 5. Use follow-up prompts to focus your gap. Next, refine your finding by asking ChatGPT which gap has the highest potential impact. Suggest specific questions that could fill these gaps or what method would be suitable for this research. This helps you narrow down to one or more targeting gaps to pursue. Step 6. Verify gaps with further searches and mentors. Search Google Scholar again using the new question or keyword suggested by ChatGPT to confirm these gaps are genuinely underexplored. Then discuss them with your supervisor or colleague to validate feasibility and importance. Why this method works? Combining Google Scholar focused literature search with ChatGPT powerful AI summarizations let you cut through lengthy articles and pinpoint gap quickly. You spend less time reading and more time planning meaningful searches. So, in under 5 minutes, you can find research gaps that set your study apart. Start with a clear topic, use targeted searches, leverage AI for synthesis, and then validate with deeper exploration and advice. Give this method a try and let me know how it transforms your research process. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips on publication smarter and faster. Happy researching!